Hello everybody, and in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Sweat Wallet. The actual thing about this is you can not transfer or withdraw the money, the Sweat coin into real money, but you can do it another way around. So by opening portfolio, you will see here different coins like USDC is a stable coin. You also can see USDT here. What you have to do is when you have enough Sweat coins, like when you see here, I just started out, I don't have enough yet, but when you have enough Sweat coins, what you have to do is to convert the Sweat coins into any other coins like the USDT. Okay, you will transfer the Sweat coin into USDT and then send that USDT to your USDT wallet on your computer, on your phone, and then within there you will then exchange the USDT to real money. So that's basically it. You have to convert the Sweat coin into any other crypto coin here, and then from that crypto coin, from that particular wallet where you exchange, where you send your let's say for example you converted Sweat into USDC, and then you transfer the USDC, you send the USDC coin to another wallet where you can get the money out like in your bank account. So just transfer your Sweat coins into any other coin from your what you prefer, and then just in exchange them into your wallet to real money. That's basically the only way you can do it to get to real money. Thanks.